Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to be Lust from Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. We're starting off with priming the face with either a pore filling primer or an illuminating primer. I used both. And then a nice thin layer of foundation, followed by some concealing under the eyes and anywhere you have like strangely red or really purple areas. There's nothing wrong with those areas, but today we're going to start off with a very blank slate. Also, yes, I know my shirt strap is twisted. I'm sorry. I didn't see. I'm using a different concealer to highlight portions of my face, such as under the eyes and the bridge of the nose. For contour today, we're just going to accentuate the cheekbones and just make our nose a little more snatched, a little skinnier than it normally is. We're also doing it under the lips to make them more voluptuous. And I found in my recent adventures that blending it out with a brush first really helps to make sure everything is in the right spot on your face, so you don't accidentally pull your contour all over your cheeks instead of right there in the hollows. But to really blend it out, go in with a wet beauty blender next, because it really helps to diffuse it from a harsh line to more of a shadow. And never feel bad about going in again, just to deepen it up a little bit. I usually do my cheek contour at least twice. Bronzing is essentially the same thing. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer, but really for me it's more setting the, it's more of a cream contour I use first, and then this is kind of setting it. But bronzer is more used for the backs of the cheeks and the temples of the forehead, just to warm up the face and to frame it so that the lightness at the center of your face is the center point. It's the part where you want everyone to see. Also, don't be like me, put on your blush first, then your highlight, because I put on my blush last. Also, we're putting the blush only on the cheekbones, not on the apples of the cheeks. Look, I tried to fix it, and I didn't. But we're putting the blush only on the sides of the cheeks, and if you put on your highlight first, it gets covered up. It's no fun. Brows, I'm just making them a little bit darker. I'm going in with a black eyebrow pencil. The only thing special I'm doing with this is I'm extending the tail just a little bit farther than it naturally goes. Now, doing this weird little brush thing, it just helps to soften the brow. Since I filled them in so deeply, you want to soften it. For the eyes, super duper easy. We're only using 3 colors. I'm going in with a very neutral brown, only a couple tones deeper than my own skin tone. Next, we're going in with a medium tone brown. We're putting that on the outside of the eye, dragging it out to where the end of our eyebrow tail is, and putting that in the crease. The crease is your eyeball bone, like your optical bone. And then lastly, we're putting in a very dark brown. We're not messing with any black shadows today. I'm just putting in a very dark brown right at the edge of the eye and barely into the little crease between your eyeball and your occipital bone. In the show, she doesn't go too crazy with the eyeshadow, so today we're just accentuating what we have, and that's what these browns help us to do. And another fun part about this is that you don't really need to do extreme eyeliner. I actually was debating not putting eyeliner on at all. All I'm doing here is putting eyeliner on the shelf right underneath my lash line, so it's a little scary to put it there, but I'm just outlining the inside part of my eye, and you can genuinely stop here and put on some fake eyelashes, but I did do the tiniest of liquid eyeliner wings. But it's not necessary. She's so naturally beautiful, you don't need to mess with your eye shape too much. Now, instead of using a black eyeshadow, I take this gel pencil liner, put it in your waterline, And then I take a brush, and this is what it's called smoking out. You're gonna blend it down, and it just gets that natural, sultry, going out for the night look that I feel like she has. And don't be afraid to go back in and darken up your waterline again, because once you blend it, it kind of goes away. For lips, nice deep red. And then I put little lines on the edge of my lips. My lips are very round and not, not long. So I like to add little lines to the edges of it just to make them seem a little wider. I put lashes on the top, which I feel like really brings this entire look together. And I'm also putting little tiny baby lashes on the bottom of my eyes. All right, time for the boob window. We're doing the Ouroboros tattoo. I highly suggest if you're doing any sort of drawing on yourself to go in with either a light eyebrow pencil, eyebrow marker. I'm going in with eyeshadow and a very tiny brush and just penciling it out first so that you can wipe it away without having to wipe away entire portions of body paint. So please enjoy this little montage. I'm gonna give you the full thing with no editing. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm using Snazaroo Red body paint. Thank you guys so much for watching my Lust makeup tutorial. We're officially leaving 2020 for good, and we're going back to 2008. Currently rewatching Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood. I didn't know, spoilers, that she died so early. It's been a decade. But oh my god, I love her. She's so good. She got the pointy fingers. I hope this tutorial was a little bit easier. I hope it's for anyone that feels like they want to do her. Anyone that feels like they want to do her for anyone that wants to cosplay her for a con, that anyone can do this. All you need is this nice little black wavy wig, the ability to draw on your chest, and just, you know, a face. If you guys liked my video, please leave it a like, comment, let me know if you want any more FMAB or 2008 era characters. I do post once every Friday, either con or makeup related material, and I hope you guys have a great week.